Welcome to the story of one of the world's oldest and most controversial conflicts, the Israel-Palestine conflict, a land where history, religion, and politics intersect, leading to a struggle that has spanned centuries. In this video, we will explore the deep-rooted origins of the conflict and the key events that have shaped it. Ancient origins. The roots of the Israel-Palestine conflict date back thousands of years. Around the 17th century BCE, the Jewish patriarchs settled in Canaan, a region that roughly corresponds to modern-day Israel, the West Bank, and Gaza. Later, the Kingdom of Israel was established under King Saul, followed by King David and King Solomon, who built the first temple in Jerusalem. British rule and the creation of Israel. In the early 20th century, Palestine came under British control following World War I. During this period, Jewish immigration to the region increased, leading to rising tensions between Jewish settlers and the Arab population. The 1948 Arab-Israeli War. The Arab-Israeli War of 1988 began immediately after Israel declared its independence. The war ended with Israel gaining control over most of the territory, while Egypt and Jordan occupied the Gaza Strip and West Bank. Hundreds of thousands of Palestinians were displaced, an event they referred to as al-Nakba, or the catastrophe, the Six-Day War of 1967. In 1967, the Six-Day War dramatically changed the map of the Middle East. Israel captured the Golan Heights, West Bank, East Jerusalem, Gaza Strip, and Sinai Peninsula. Although Sinai was returned to Egypt later, the other territories remained a source of conflict. Aftermath and the Oslo Accords. The aftermath of the wars left many Palestinian refugees unable to return to their homes. In the 1990s, hopes for peace emerged with the Oslo Accords, which aimed to establish a two-state solution. However, tensions over Jerusalem, settlements, and refugee rights persisted. Second Intifada and Hamas. The peace process was short-lived. The Second Intifada erupted in 2000, sparking more violence. Meanwhile, Hamas, a militant Islamic group, took control of Gaza, leading to further conflicts with Israel, including several wars in the following decades. Recent events. The conflict shows no signs of ending. In recent years, tensions have escalated over Jerusalem and Gaza, with protests, violence, and failed peace negotiations. The situation remains fragile as both sides continue to claim rights over the same land. Conclusion. The Israel-Palestine conflict is a complex and deeply rooted struggle, with no easy solution in sight. As political and religious tensions continue to simmer, the path to peace remains uncertain.